The Story Resort and Spa is located in Yercaud, around a 5-hour drive from Bengaluru and just 10 minutes away from Yercaud Lake. This 4-star resort is approximately 5 years old and is spread across 1.5 acres. This video is not sponsored by the resort. Everything I share here is my honest review based on my personal experience. The resort has around 20 rooms across 6 different categories: deluxe, premium balcony, superior balcony, story heaven, story jacuzzi, and the honeymoon suite. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 of these categories, including the highest category, the honeymoon suite. Let's start with the premium balcony room. This is the second category above the base room and has an area of 400 square feet. The room is spacious and well maintained, featuring a king-size bed and a private balcony. One drawback is that there is no air conditioning in the room. During summer afternoons, it can get quite hot. However, they do provide a ceiling fan as an alternative. I visited in the month of March, during which the afternoons were very hot while the evenings were cool and pleasant. Stay tuned until the end of the video, where I'll be showing you the Story Heaven room and the highest category honeymoon suite. One aspect that needs to be highlighted is the number of stairs throughout the resort. From the entrance to most of the rooms, there are quite a few stairs, with only a few exceptions. Because of this, some guests might find it hard to move around the resort. The resort has one restaurant called the Orchid, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant where all meals are served. Breakfast is offered as a buffet, while lunch and dinner are served a la carte. I tried a few dishes from the a la carte menu and the food was decent, but nothing really stood out. I would rate the food a 6.5 out of 10. The swimming pool is a bit small, but it is located in a very nice spot with plenty of trees surrounding the pool. They also set up a bonfire in the evenings at 7:30 p.m. Another important thing to note is that there is no mobile network across the property, and the Wi-Fi is also quite slow, which is something that can definitely be improved. The breakfast buffet was quite average and could definitely be improved in terms of taste. I would rate it a 6 out of 10. The resort also has an activity area with a few indoor games like table tennis, pool, carom, and more. However, reaching this area again involves climbing stairs. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. Another thing to keep in mind is that the road leading to the resort is not in great condition for the last 500 meters. It's quite steep and full of rocks. On the positive side, they do have ample parking space available within the property. Now, coming back to the rooms, the Story Heaven room is the 4th highest category and comes with an area of 500 square feet. It is quite similar to the premium balcony room but slightly larger, and the view from the balcony is noticeably better. The Honeymoon Suite is the highest category room in the resort. They have only one unit of this type, making it the most exclusive stay option here. The Story Resort and Spa is a good value for money option for anyone visiting Yercaud. The entire resort is well maintained and I was particularly impressed with the rooms. The main area that needs improvement is the food. But overall, I had a pleasant stay at this resort. If you've stayed at this resort, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comment section. And if you're looking for more resort reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.